Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tip, I'll show you the fastest way to switch between multiple spreadsheets in Excel. Let's get started. The Windows way, Alt plus Tab. You might already know that in Windows, you can move between open programs or documents by holding the Alt key and tapping Tab. This brings up a view of all your open programs. If you keep holding Alt and tapping Tab, you can cycle through them until you land on the one you want. That's great when you're juggling different apps, like Excel, Word, and a browser. But here's the problem. If you're only working with Excel spreadsheets, Alt plus Tab can be frustrating because it cycles through everything you have open. The Excel way, Control plus Tab. If all you want is to switch between Excel workbooks, there's a much better shortcut. Hold Control, then tap Tab. Notice the difference? Control plus Tab doesn't show the big switcher window. It just cycles directly through your open Excel files. If you've got 2 spreadsheets open, it flips between the 2. If you've got 10 open, it cycles through all 10. This makes it super quick to jump back and forth, whether you're copying data, comparing numbers, or updating multiple files at once. So next time you're working with more than one Excel spreadsheet, remember, Control plus Tab is your shortcut for fast switching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.